right, hello YouTube, hello builders. Today is February 1st, 2025. It's a snowy day today, but the work never stops and we're ready to get building and doing some cool fun stuff today. So let's see, let's switch over to, actually I should actually get the game up. So we're going to be doing Civ6 and we're going to be continuing to work on a YouTube clone tutorial, or not tutorial, but just me building it for my Gcan Build website. So I want to be able to host all of the videos that I've put on YouTube related to Gcan Build, all the different series and whatever, and I want to make sure that they're all stacked together in a way that makes sense. So let me get the game up and where is it? Here it is. So give me 2 seconds stream. And let's see, let me make sure I get the audio right. That should be the loud for access ping in a couple of seconds. Fun. Alright, so here is Civ6, and you can also see this is the progress so far on the future Gcan Build website. We have the viewership screen, which is based off of YouTube, and the homepage, which is also based off of YouTube. So hopefully it's not just like a pure video watching site, but also a community site for people who are part of the building community and that type of stuff. So really exciting to get going on this. I think that content's going to be a core part of my future career, and so excited to be able to do this, have a lot more of these evening chill streams whenever I can. Sometimes I'm out and about in Boston in different events, so it is what it is sometimes. So over to Civ6, let's create a new game. I think I only played like a little bit past I think just like the first 2 eras or whatever they're called in Civ6. I need to get more used to the game, but we'll just have a longer, chiller stream than we usually do, because I usually only stream for about an hour and change, and so obviously on the weekends I have a lot more time, and it's probably better to pace myself and work a little bit slower. I was working a little bit this morning before, but let's get right on to this. So we're gonna have just random leader, get on deity, because I'm gonna get my butt kicked, and that's content. And I think everything else should be the same marathon, because yeah, let's just prolong it. Hopefully extend one game to the entire length of the stream. Well, we'll see. Hopefully no whammies on the Civ. And as for the Gcan Build, the thing that I noticed was there's no nav bar.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking his first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest.
Sean Bean's narrating.
From this early cradle of
I'll
civilization,
talk over him and just try to be louder. But we're missing a nav bar here, so that's what I'm going to tell it to do.
Watchful queen of
I'm just going to say we're missing
the empire you command shall claim the horizon as its border. Don't fear those who covet your abundant gold, for your archers can part their hair at 500 paces. Your city shall know prosperity and piety, wise queen, for the land of the bow honors its past as surely as it builds its own future.
So in this image, which is the source image here to generate the page here, it doesn't have a nav bar, so I'm very curious as to why it does not exist. But honestly, so like working with VO a lot here, it makes weird conventions like this here. There's a lot of different stuff. We really have to clean some of this stuff, unfortunately, when we actually grab the code, but it's alright. I mean, obviously it's a great starting point, so I'm more worried about the tailwind and the design and the look and the animations, functionality, that type of stuff than necessarily code quality, because at least I can fix that myself. Although a VO linter would be very cool in the future. So yeah, let's jump in. Oh, sidebar must use. So I don't actually want a sidebar. So I don't know why it's saying that they added a sidebar there. I don't really want a sidebar, so we'll just refresh that. Jump over to Civ. Ooh, I have Uluru already. It's been a while since I played the Nubian Empire, so what is it? 20% production towards all districts, rising to 40% if there's a Nubian pyramid adjacent to the city center. Okay, so want to prioritize workers to get this Nubian Empire. Desert hills, desert floodplains. Not the best. Hanging out in the desert. But I mean, it can actually be built on the desert, so I can get +2 faith, +2. Oh, okay. So that means I can literally sit on a desert tile and be cool with it. Because I'm just going to have the Nubian pyramid and then, like, a bunch of districts on the... Okay, that works. 30% protection towards ranged units. They're not the best in Civ6. Okay. I mean, you're going to have a strong early game. Mines over strategic resources. Okay, so I need to be more biased towards mines. Okay. Alright. Makes sense. Extra movement. Okay, so that means I can go in a rough terrain and then shoot. And then upgrade straight to crossbowman. Interesting. Or I think it usually does. So, alright. So this is not a floodplains tile, so I should probably move up and get the pyramid here. This also brings me closer to Uluru. Saves this tile. How would I plan this out? Because I want, if I'm going for faith, then I could cross the river here, get the faith and culture here. Nubian pyramid goes here. Stonehenge here? Or here? Well, if Stonehenge is here... I could move up one. Move up one or over one? Because I don't think I stay. I want to... So, like, if I... Like, all the desert tiles, that's great for districts. Just because I don't really care too much about the yields. There's no floodplains, unfortunately, on these desert tiles. I don't think. Yeah, that's a hill. It's a nothing. This generation took a long time, by the way, in VO. And it also still doesn't work. Where's the error thing? Usually it says there's an error. Fix this issue. Golly. Alright, so if the districts are all going over here, what would I put on these? Because, like, I need to figure out a Nubian pyramid place. Nubian pyramid can't go here, so I need it to be adjacent. So that's why I need to move this. The Nubian pyramid's going here, regardless of whatever happens. Is there a tech civ thing? Unlocks with masonry. Okay. Honestly, it might be better for me to try to get Nubian pyramids as opposed to Oracle, so less... I've not played this in a while, so it's very interesting. I want the early query, so it'll probably be scout worker into whatever. Let's take a look at this. This is still broken, so I don't know why it's not fixing it. Let's see. Crossing the river gets me access to Uluru, so I'll get culture and faith early, but pyramid here, or Nubian pyramid here, actual pyramid here, commercial theater, because I'll get a campus here. Okay. I think this is the right move. Villager, okay. So we'll found the city here. Plop this guy over here to get the helpful village. I need to start working over to that. Over to masonry. So we'll do scout worker. Cool. Okay, this is dumpstery broken. Alright, well, we'll try to go back and get that fixed. We get gold. What is the gold number that we're looking for? Probably 420 for a slinger. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is actually the floodland tiles, so I could make another city over here, like here-ish. But I need to see what more of this looks like. Oh. City-state, 2 city-states, and I was the first one to meet both of them. Nice. There's a volcano right here, so maybe not nice. A lot of food, though. Where's the pins? Add attack. I would like to build a city. Where's the city one? I am not 100% sure where the city one is. Okay, city center. Okay, I will probably think about putting a city there. Do we have Nubian... where is it? Nubian pyramids. Are the unique ones not in this? Oh, there they are. You know what? That looks close enough, right? Yeah, we'll stick that there. We will put the pyramids. Where are they? Here. I think theater district here. This will probably be commercial. This will be campus. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but that's the way that I'm doing it. Alright, let's check out. Why does it keep wanting to do that? The video screen does not need a sidebar, so don't add one. Jeezy peasy. Alright, so this means that there's a barbarian camp somewhere. I attacked over a river and that's a gun. That's unfortunate. Are they over here? Okay. Well, I'm just gonna circle back to my city. Get a little healing on this guy. Alright. We will get worker after that, and then we'll figure that out later. Alright. Oh my gosh, don't add a sidebar. Why are we adding a sidebar? Maybe instead of the video screen, I'll say the new screen. Oh, well, I should have been consistent and mentioned on the new screen here that this is also a new screen. I don't know. We'll see if it figures it out. VO's not doing too hot today, so it seems. Bias towards desert, so I'm probably going to be going up and over and around. Okay, good. Village. That tells me there's probably nobody around. Also, this is the bottom of the map, because I can't go down that much further. We'll see. A lot of desert here. Probably another city that I could settle over here. that other civs aren't going to really look at. I like here. Alright, I'll put another pin. I'm trying to get better at this. I don't think actually Civ 7 has pins, so maybe this isn't the best choice, but... Okay, another village. Nice. It's quite cold today. Quite cold today. I'm sorry if I'm sniffling a little bit. Look at that! That's exactly what I want. Could you not do that the first time? That goes back there. Cool. Like, I know that you might want a sidebar, but obviously this wasn't accomplishing it. So cool. Like you could want it. I don't know. I get what it's doing. I just don't know why it was wonking out. Alright. Alright. Maybe I can ask it now. Can you add the same sidebar as the home screen to the video screen? Actually being able to label the screens would be nice, just so VO knows exactly what you're talking about. Nicaea. These Nicean lines here are pretty nice because mostly they're pretty good for desert tiles, so they'll make them productive. So I'm gonna try to really drive towards getting Demas username of it, and I think a lot of other civs are probably gonna ignore it. So hopefully I can grab it. Okay, another village up here. This is actually a nice spot. Oh, another envoy. Look at that already. Bonus. The arrow score. And they're kicking these guys' ass. Can I go up there and snipe that barbarian camp? That'd be super nice. Oh god, I'm about to get my ass kicked. Oh shit. Alright, well. Alright, warrior, no sniping. We're gonna need you to get back. And someone else discovered me, I think in this direction. So this is not great. This warrior is gonna take his sweet ass time running all the way down here. Oh lord, not great. I think what I'm gonna do is hit, because I'm still protected. I'll be stuck in the city, but this guy's gonna be attacking over a river, and so not doing the most damage.
Spotkanie przez...
Jadwiga? Nice to meet you. I wonder if Jadwiga speaks like a modern Polish dialect. It's an interesting thought there. I don't know if modern Polish people can understand it or if there's any differences. Let's see here. That's not looking right. Like, oh, the little text box is down below here. That's unfortunate. Can you provide an offset on the top so that the content of the screen is below the nav bar? Let's see how well my spelling is when I can't see it. Oh, I missed a V. Anyway, I knew I was backspacing a little bit over it. Alright, back to Civ. I think
when you find yourself in a hole, quit digging.
Quit digging. Well, I am in a hole right now. It'd be better if I hit that direction. Warrior's almost back. Papa's almost back. We need to query, but I'll get the Eureka bonus on this by the time my worker comes out, so not too worried. Oh, fun. This is exactly what I need. Maybe it'll get distracted by Jadwiga. That does not look distracted. I'm gonna hit with this guy first, and hit with this guy. Oh boy, this is gonna be not fun. Move that guy around. Ranger. I don't think it really matters. Okay, good. Jedwiga's distracting them. I don't want this guy to keep getting hit, so I'm gonna back him up. I could use a promotion on my dude. I actually want to go this way because these two can't contest, and I want them away from the horsemen. Who can kick my butt. And it looks like he'll be distracted by Jedwiga anyways, so should be fine. Ooh, can I snipe this? I don't know, but let's see. Damn it. I didn't know that city-states actually went in on that. Alright, well, that's unfortunate. We'll fortify this guy, and bring this guy up north to fortify as well. Alright, back over to VO. Says done. Looks, not the best. Can you add some more padding? And ensure that on scroll downwards of the web page, the contents don't overlap with the nav bar, because we're getting that little overlap there, if you can see, so that's unfortunate. Also, the sidebars are collapsing, so we've got quite a few problems, unfortunately. Alright, can't buy the slinger yet. Oh, Jedwiga's helping me clear, which is nice. I gotta move my scout. We'll go up north. I will attack here just to farm some XP. Oh, not great. Can I get away with a hit on... No, I'm just gonna fortify and heal. Move this guy over here. I'm just gonna hide my scout over in the territory over here. Alright, yeah. I'm just gonna hide over here for a little bit. Wait, so I thought that this one provided food. Food, +1 food to adjacent desert and desert hills. Oh, after discovering. I see. I see. Okay, so it's just giving faith for now. Okay, it'll be better later. I hope. I forgot to switch again. Nope, it still overlaps. So we're not getting anywhere here. Maybe below the nav bar and ensure that the web page contents slide underneath the nav bar when we scroll downwards. Alright, let's see if that works. I don't even know where these guys are coming from, which is crazy. So we're gonna do query.
At his best, man is the noblest of all animals. Separated from law and justice, he is the worst.
Alright, I agree. Alright. Discover a second continent. Feels like we're not getting too much headway there, but hopefully we'll get there soon. So Poland's up here, so we're probably gonna have to snipe a couple up here. I think we're gonna do Settler next after this. Just be super greedy because Nazca can cover our town over here, hopefully. I don't see that where that barbarian camp came from, so I'm gonna be greedy and move this guy down. See if we can snipe. Oh, there it is. See if we can snipe this. Oh, they're leaving. Oh boy. Okay. Well, we can snipe this guy. Get some experience there. Let's jump back into VO. Nope, it's... Added a top offset to the... Yeah, and then adjusted the... Yeah, it's not doing this, so... Pride offset and a little padding on top. Let's just try this again and see if it makes any difference. We're gonna try to run this guy back home. So quarry. I don't know why I'm having trouble pronouncing that. This is not great. Shoot. Not what I expected. I can like run here and then put one down, but I think I'll go here and do the grassland. I don't think the horses can cross rivers. Grab my guy. I could be wrong, and this could be super dangerous. Alright, cool. So we're gonna run this guy in here. We're gonna grab this farm. We're gonna rest, hope that this guy attacks in. Who's this? Yervin? Okay, he decided not to. Oh. The horseman ran away. Alright, I'm gonna try to knock this barbarian camp down. I need the era score as well. I don't know how many days we have left. Oh, we have plenty. Alright, cool. Well, let's grab this. Get the error score. Only +2. It's close by. What do you mean? Should be getting the close barbarian kill bonus. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Yes, stuff is happening in Civ. Let's see here. Nope. Can I ask it? Like, can you change the Z index? You know, but like, actually I'm realizing that I want the sidebar. So I wonder if we can keep it so that it's the exact same. Alright. How about... can you... Wait, so why isn't it using a... Oh, can you make the sidebar and nav bar be a part of a shared layout between the main screen and the video screen? Submit. Back to Civ. I feel like I should have the button where I'm switching between the different actions and whatnot. Like turn off the screen so I can't like see the monitor until I actually switch. Alright, so we have the query thing. I don't care if it gets destroyed. I'm just going to be running this guy back. And this guy back too. Oh, well, actually, let me run this guy over because I had enough money for a slinger for a while now. And slinger is much better. And I'm going to have this guy... Oh, Jedwiga's sitting on the place that I want to build that. Explores. I don't want my scout to sit here. And I don't know why Jedwiga is sitting in my city like that. Rude. Okay, finally, she moved it. I'm just gonna fortify this guy. He's on the grass, so he should be fine. Cannot be. So what is wrong here? There is a lot of crap that it generated, and like I don't know why there's a main nav here and then another one here. Can I ask VO? Can you clean up the file structure? There's duplicated files and some imports aren't working properly. So let's see how good VO's file management is. I'll be greedy. Try to risk that. I'm not scared of my life. I kind of am. I do not want to risk the builder, so we'll just wait one more. Okay, thanks, Jadwiga. You want to declare war? You want to cry about it? I don't see anybody, so I'm going to run out and repair this real quick. Jeezy peasy. Look at what is VO doing? Can it not actually delete files? Is that a part of its problem? So it can't delete files? That would be really cringe if it can't do that. Alright, I guess we'll go exploring north. Oh yeah, she's definitely coming to kick my ass. Alright. Well. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing here. You just need to run a little bit of interference. Alright, what do I want? This will give me a builder. Isn't there one that does settler? Free settler? No? Wonders? Well, I am going for the pyramids. I don't think I'm going to be really going for religion in this game, so we'll just do monument to the gods. I mean, I literally settled on the one spot where I could have built Stonehenge to meme out the, Stonehenge, so. Alright, let's... What the fuck? Who's that guy? Oh, that's my guy. Alright. Jadwiga, be cool. Please. Oh my gosh. That's great. I'm not 100% sure what's going to be happening right now, but I think I got some barbarians at the gate. Yeah. Not great. Oh, they have the siege off on my city? That's crazy. Well, I think I can relieve the siege already, because I can kick that guy out. I mean, mines are a big part of this, right? Mines over strategic. Oh, it has to be over strategic resource. Okay. Oh, not great. Can I go like here and here, and then put this guy in here so we get a little beefy? I think I might have lost already. I think this might be the. Oh no. Yeah, I'm dead. Well. Yeah, that was
from
rough.
the dust to which our civilization.
Unfortunate. I didn't even get the archers, which is supposed to be my power early game. That's unfortunate. First loss. Alright. Oh, look. That looks a lot better. That works. We just now have a bunch of crap. Can we not remove files? Because there's this. Can I just delete this? Delete this. Because I'm just looking. Oh, what on earth? I thought I deleted this already. This. Delete that. Delete this. What is... Alright, I guess I will just take care of just the visual look of everything. I think this is pretty much the two screens, really, that I care about. I guess the only one is like a sign-in modal, which we can see what VO is attempting to do. Actually, one of the things is, can you make this overflow horizontally and allow for one to scroll this to see the other items when it overflows? Close the container. Hide the scroll bar here when it overflows. I think it gets the message, right? Alright. Anyways, back to Civ. Oh my gosh. Alright. It's my fault, Nubia. I did not get a good showing there, unfortunately. Deity, you know? Hey, it'll get you.
From the first stirrings of life beneath water,
America,
to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man
America's
taking his
really
first
boring to
upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. And so it is upon your broad shoulders, Theodore Roosevelt, to charge forth and lead your people on their great adventure. Use your military might to give the peoples of your homeland the square deal they so desperately deserve. Surely, you will raise America into the limelight and attract visitors from across the oceans just to see your lands. Bully for you, Mr. President.
Hell yeah. This is why Civ 7, I think, is going to be superior, because look at all of the stuff that America cares about. It's all in the later stages. And so, yeah, I do like that they split civs into each individual portion so that, like, you know, it doesn't matter if I make it to the late game if I die early game, because I have none of these bonuses really help in the early stage. So, this stinks. But anyways. Alright, what do I see here? Honestly, I think I'm going to move over one. Get closer to this stuff and the coast. That makes sense to me. Plop DC down on a river. Makes sense. And so, yeah. Alright, America, what am I looking for? Probably, I'll have irrigation early, so we can do pottery. Maybe get Great Bath. Yeah, because I might have floods here, so we'll do Great Bath along the Potomac here, if you will. Do my settler, or a scout slinger opening. Actually, get scout slinger. There we go. We'll do that. I think that'll work well. Alright, let's take a look at this. Oh. Interesting. They just shrunk it? I like this. Okay. I wonder if it would be too greedy to ask, hey, can there be a toggle for theater mode? Can you add a toggle to enable theater mode, where the video takes up the width of the screen minus the sidebar to the left and some padding. Have the recommended videos appear to the right but below the video. Also add in a comments section which appears under the description of the video. Let's see if that works. Alright, back to Civ. So the scout will probably go this way, and this warrior will go around here. Probably go a few more tiles before looping back around and going through the jungle. I don't really see much that I want to care about. Okay. Oh. Not quite what I was looking. It's actually pretty good, but can you default the layout to be well, the condensed mode, if you will. Has the video player look a little small? Can you make it a bit bigger? I think a couple things that I'd want to fix is shrinking this a little bit. This looks fine, and then I think I saw something on the theater mode that I want changed, but we'll just do a little Civ while this generates. Look at the terribleness of this file structure, by the way. There's so many. Fion needs to get so much better at that. Or at least, like, allow me to delete it. Alright. Okay. Let's take a look at this now. Actually, that looks a lot better. I like that. Okay, that's fine. I'm not too worried about that. And then this. I want the video player bigger. Where's the column? There we go. Can you shrink this column a bit horizontally to give more space to the other column? Let's see if that'll work. Good builder. Nice. Okay, so I don't actually need to build the builder anymore. Bob the builder. And have this guy go
7 girls were chased by bears. The bears were just about to catch them when the girls jumped on a low rock. One of the girls prayed to the rock. Rock, take pity on us. Rock, save us. The rock heard them and began to grow upwards, pushing the girls higher and higher.
Nice. Earthbending. Alright, this is going to be turned into a national park probably at some point. This stinks. This is why... Very disappointing as to how America looks. I totally didn't show the video. I'm so sorry. You saw it in the little corner. So distracted by it. Alright. The Great Bath is going up on one of these. Probably this tile, right? So I will put a farm here for now, I guess. Nothing over here. Okay. Back to VO for a second. Alright. No, what? So what's the column? No, what? Why is there so much padding to the right? Eliminate it. Hate it. I want you to make the recommended videos column narrower in size. Well, we'll see if it gets there. I just also realized that I did quick, I have quick combat on, and I don't know if it's better to have the fully animated combat or not. Like which one's more cinematic or better looking? So I'm not sure. Where's that? Okay, so I guess VO's not listening. So maybe we can go back a little bit and readjust some things. Alright. Another variant. Oh, great. Alright. Was I the first to meet Brussels? I am. Okay. So maybe that tells me that there's nobody up top. So everything's to the west. Alright. So I have like basically somewhat carte blanche of this area. That's not right. I like how this format looks. It's just awkward. So instead, maybe I'll remove this. Get it back to this. Well, first of all, I want to add more of a gap to these. I mean, at this point, I should just fix it myself. I'm kind of annoyed. Main nav video card. Let's see here. Where is this sidebar? Recommended videos here. They have the SpaceX and Y. Yet it's not working. Interesting. It's like they don't put it in like flex column. Or do they have it here? Oh no, they have grid columns. Small space Y of 0. Is this considered small? Small gap of 4? I think like LG gap of 2, right? At the very least. What? Why is that a problem now? Did that save the change that I made there? Yeah, so let's see. That did not do it. So, interesting. I mean, another thing that I can do is go into the video card and add some padding on the bottom. Or like margin. It could be like MB of 2 here. No, that didn't do it. I don't know what VO deal is. Maybe it's not on this. Maybe here. Wow. Alright, I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I could ask it. Oops. Can you add some spacing between the video cards? Alright. Oh. Another barbarian camp there. Not great. Brussels can handle that, right? Wait, whoa, stop building this. Slinger. Honestly, I don't want another builder, so slinger. Probably the way to go. Heal up. Gonna be doing this dance for a while. Let's see this. No, it's not doing it. It's not doing it, so let me refresh it and see if that fixes it. Gap and SpaceX are like the two things that I have very clue how they actually are supposed to work in Tailwind, and mostly it's because CSS is terribly written for people who want to actually understand things. Like it's total gatekeeping by people who have been working for it forever. Like we're getting there with like how good Tailwind is, but there's still some stuff that's like, you're like, I add gap X, why is it, or gap Y?
I thought Clay must feel happy in the...
And actually I just kind of thought about it in my head. Did I write gap X? It's weird that I didn't get the 3 error score the other time, but I got 2. So weird. So I'll get some error score if I settle like here-ish, because it'll be in range of this. So I'll do like another city somewhere here, and then another one up here, and try to expand that away. I'm keeping this guy alive, but oh, can I build Great Bath? I can. Let me get started on it. Can I cut down trees yet? Or is that with... Yeah, I need mining. Because I kind of want to do Great Baths here. Hanging Gardens over here. And, okay. I think we had a minor hiccup there on the internet. I think we should be back. But, you know, this is... I guess could be a natural part 2, because I think we've been streaming for about an hour or so, welcome back, everyone. Thanks for watching. We're working on building a YouTube clone on this screen while trying to manifest some destiny over here, and starting with building a Great Bath, which might be a terrible idea, but I am doing it. Okay. So this looks pretty... Honestly, I have half a mind to just get rid of this condensed mode. You know what? I'm going to do that. I'm actually just going to write this. Can you just, can you get rid of the condensed mode and make the theater mode the default one? Or really the only one? Alright, we got some barbarian problems that are going to be cropping up. VO hanging? What's going on here? I'm not 100% sure what happened there. Alright, what? No, that's not what I... Nope, messed it up. VO is off this game today. Oh, I trapped it. I'll get some free experience there. I'll run the scout along this side of the river. If they're coming down, I want to know about it. They might be going towards Brussels, maybe? Well, these guys haven't decided to do anything. Maybe I'll hop onto these hills over here. How are we not grown enough? I think it would be better long term if I focused on growth, even though this will take a little bit longer. Alright, I'm gonna pull this worker back. Get this guy in here, pull this guy back, get this guy in here, fortify and heal, all that good stuff.
At his best, man is the noblest of all animals. Separated from law and justice, he is the worst.
He is the worst. This is not great. Maybe I'll just say, can you make the theater mode the default one? Because I think it's getting rid of theater mode. VO's a mess today. I don't know what's going on with it. Usually it's pretty dang good. And I only use the best. Alright. I'm going to switch off and have the scout start moving down south. The warrior can deal with all this stuff. Or can just sit there and heal. We can also do that. Alright, I'm going to go out there and have some fun. Hopefully get a promotion. I did not get a promotion, unfortunately. The slinger's going to shoot at him. Bring this guy back into the city. And then attack the slinger from there. Oh my gosh, this VO's not doing anything of what I want. I want it to just be this. Can we just... You know what? Do it myself. Do it myself. VO is annoying me today, I guess. We're not having a good time. That's not fun. Which team are you working for? Barbarians? You letting someone else finish the Great Bath. I think I can get away with this, because this guy will cross the river to try to contest me. Guess that's the only way that I have to do it. Whoops. How much is this gonna hurt? Kinda, but not really. Yeah, we're just gonna heal. And we're gonna have this guy work on the Great Bath. Yeah, you're just gonna explore, because I need the bonus here. Okay, that's where that one is. Let's see if this works. Nope. Alright. Yeah, I don't think it did. One last try. Third time's the charm, right? Oh my gosh, am I literally on a tiny island? It's just me and Brussels. Not fun. Alright, we'll have a lot of repairing to do. Once this is all said and done. I think I'm alone on this island. Alright, let's grab that. Then I can bring this guy up and repair under cover of my warrior. And then this warrior can go back. Oh, this worker. I'm gonna miss workers. They're not gonna be in Civ 7, so that's gonna be unfortunate. I think I have all the styles of all the things that I want, and most of the YouTube videos are just gonna be from embeds, so I'm not gonna worry too much about. I don't think I should need to worry too much about that, but you never know. All right, I should be. Oh, I'm actually past the point where I could afford a slinger. So I'm gonna grab one. Start trying to contest this one. Should I hit that guy? Yeah, I will. Alright, so I think actually G can build is done, so I can actually
thousands have lived without love,
when
not one without water.
So when I want to try to use this, what I can do is click on here, add to code base. It's weird. Did they reorder it? I could have sworn it was the leftmost one. Maybe they changed something. VO doesn't seem as busted today. I'm trying to use deep speak. It's not cool. Literally, we can go to the GCB directory and stick this one in here. I think they must have changed it. I don't remember the URLs being this long. Alright, let's say agree to this. So all I did was grab it from here, this button here, add to code base, I copied it, and then went over to my terminal, and then yes, Next.js. Yeah, they definitely did change some stuff. The CLI is a little different. So this will just be a content page, or GCB community content page. I don't, you know what? I'm gonna name it something different. I mean, just call it like, because usually it's just gcb.com. I don't think I can use periods in the title name, right? So gcb-com. All right, it's a better name. Oof, almost got canceled there. All right, we'll clear out this barbarian camp and hook over and go the other way. So this slinger might get hit if we're not careful. I think he is gonna get hit, but is what it is sometimes. There's actually a lot more hills. I should have actually done the hills. And I lost the great bats. Great. This is going swimmingly. Do hanging gardens, but you know what? Just don't think wonders are in it. We don't really have a lot of production, and I gave it my best shot. Alright, so we'll go for that one, and then this guy can go for the bananas. Can I do the little ring around? He'll go here, and I can snipe his encampment? And actually what I can do is just use the scout, take some damage by screening. I am on an island all to myself. Sick. Now, I won't get a lot of bonuses from meeting other civs and the error score and all that good stuff, so that's going to be unfortunate. So So we'll do a craftsmanship since we have the Eureka bonus for that. And I should actually let you see what's happening in Civ. I'm fortify when healed because I want the slinger to take it, but I don't want him to get hit and die. That'd be bad. So instead, we are just gonna, yeah. So I'm on my own island, which is fair. That guy just, wow, that guy just ended himself. That's crazy. I mean, going up and contesting these scouts, it'll give my slinger a kill, and I'll get the Eureka bonus for that. These scouts are like, what is my purpose? I just look at, just look at the same points on my island. So America's playing its best Hawaii cosplay today. Unless there's like a tiny strip of land down here, but I doubt it. Oh my gosh. Someone's finished Stonehenge and the Great Bath. How crazy is that? Alright, good. That's all I wanted. Actually, these two scouts can go prep this barbarian camp. That's a ranged naval unit, and that's going to be too powerful for me to deal with a slinger. I'm going to run. Alright, so this is done so far, so we're just going to do New York, neutral, yes for the CSS for theming. Alright, so it's getting the Shad Sand stuff installed, so while we wait for that. Layout, TSX does exist, so we will overwrite it. Page as well. Text area. Alright. So let's open this up. Take a look at what's inside. Where is it? Oh, wait, nope, that's the wrong directory. CD, gcb.com, code dot, there we go, we open this. That's why I was like, why is it taking so long to open up Cursor? It's because I'm trying to open up every single one of the tutorials I built. Oh, now where is it? Here it is. So here's the structure. We have a lot of cleaning up to do, unfortunately. So let's see. Context. Oh my god, I created a context file. Alright, well, first we're going to do is rename this to _components. Sidebar context. Why is... So this one's calling this sidebar context. This sidebar bar... What? They're the exact same. I hope you understand why I'm thoroughly confused as to what VO generated here. There's a bunch of also other components here as well. So is this main nav different from this main nav? No. So import type React from React. That's the first time I've seen that. Let me also zoom in on this just so it's more visible for people. So yeah, there's two of the exact same ones. One has use client, one does not. This one has use state, so it definitely needs it, but I don't think this one's the right one. So we're gonna delete this We have this sidebar. Do we have another sidebar somewhere else? We have this sidebar. Where's the sidebar used? Like, jeezy peasy. This code is a mess and needs some cleaning up. As you can tell, I'm a got educated as a C developer, so I need to have my semicolons everywhere, else I go mental. So where's the sidebar? So button's fine. Video card, I'm fine with that being in no. Just use /_ components. Use that video card. That doesn't belong there. Switch CN around. So this is the guts work that ultimately does not preclude me to allow me to play video games, but allows. So, kind of unfortunate. Because I would just continue working, right? And just go through and try to understand what the hell VO generated here. And this is probably something that's pretty close to AI slop. Unfortunate. I think if this was definitely controllable by VO and by Vercel. But, again, we're early. Early on the starting blocks. We can do... Oh, boy. Like, just make the readability a little bit better on some of these. Is it... I'm actually going to investigate this, because this is very interesting, not having the scroll bar when you actually have a scroll. This is very cool. So I'm going to keep an eye on this in the future. Also, I'm neurotic around, like, reordering Tailwind and props so that they're in ABC order. I definitely know that that's a problem. And there's Neurotic Programmers Anonymous. I'd like to join, because I do have that issue. I don't know where the sidebar is used, so I'm going to look that up. Sidebar, real quick. It's in here? What is this provider doing if it's not giving the sidebar? Where's this provider even from? The context. What? Provider. Okay, so sidebars and layout. And which one is it being using? This one? This one. Okay. So not this one. So we can delete this one and still be fine. Alright, well this is a mess and a half that I'm going to have to spend a little bit of time fixing, unfortunately. So yeah, this is definitely not like completely newbie friendly. So we're going to leave this there. We have somewhat of a close of a YouTube clone that was generated. Could get a little closer, but overall I think it got the UI right. There's a lot of this extra stuff. Where would main nav be used? Where's main nav used? In navbar? So it should just be a... Yeah. So there's just //. So this navbar I don't think ever gets used. I don't think you should be using this one, so this one's eliminated. And the only thing that is going to be inside of this app page is video card? That doesn't seem right. Video card should just be for this one, right? Where's it grabbing video card from? /components video card. No. Oh, my lord. Alright, well, page. Page is going to need... No, it doesn't... Where was it having that nav bar? / component. Oh my god, I'm so confused. Also, why is this import type React even here? I've never used it before. I don't think we need it. Well, at least Cursor knows me best. Okay, well, so this is just becoming normal work. As you can probably see, just my normal workflow. But, alright, that was how you grab it from VO and then be able to futz around with the code. But, I will deal with that later. So that's the YouTube tutorial, or clone. So we got parts of it. Fun. Alright, well, let's try and do one more and see if we can get back into the fun times flow. I don't actually have a marketplace. Maybe we can... I don't think this is probably the best. What would be the best marketplace? Like, obviously Shopify itself. Oh my lord. There's a lot of crud here. Well, I can just go up to the top and look up marketplace. E-commerce. E-commerce. No? Is there really no e-commerce? Food and drink. Health and fitness, productivity. Oh, shopping. Okay, cool. Well, so does Shopify actually... would it be actually a good example? Because it's mostly like dashboards and stuff. Yeah, probably not the best in terms of like building an actual e-commerce site. IKEA? How's their site look? Pretty bog standard normal. Okay. They seem to be very winter sale oriented. Oh. Hymns, Farfetch, Blue Apron, Nike. I mean, alright, let's try and copy Nike then. Borrow from Nike. This is the shop. Their catalog's pretty specific, though. Actually, you know what's interesting? VO actually has its own e-commerce page. There's also community stuff, which would be very cool to take a look at a bunch of the community generations as well. I want new chat. Dude, just... It used to have like a little AI starting points. Where it's not... Did they remove that? That's unfortunate. I liked them. Okay, let's take a moment to think. Yeah, alright, then let's go back to IKEA then, because it's probably the most pure, like, marketplace. There's no, like, literal Walmart or something on here. That's so weird. The shopping is, like, actually its own page. Alright, well, we'll put in their best attempt and say, I'd like to build an e-commerce website. Use the design the UI to take inspiration from the attached photo. Make the content of the page generic to time of year and holiday. Just to not have that winter sale up. Name the website Poke Shop. Poke Shop. Cool. With a cute puppy mascot named Poke. Alright. Back to the game. Oh my gosh. Well, these guys have been standing here for forever. I'm so sorry. Cool. You're gonna go down this way to deal with these guys. And then we'll go up here to deal with these guys with them. With this team, we'll go up here, and this team will go down south. That. Alright, the layout of this website already looks a lot better. Its own components folder, all of the different sections are being put into it, and you have layout and page all by its lonesome at the start. Looks good so far. We'll see if it stays that way. Okay, fortify and heal these guys. Cool. Okay. Not too bad. Top thing to see here is add some padding to either side of this. You know, add a little extra padding on this side and this side. Honestly, might even ask it to match it with the logo, but that might be a bridge too far with VO today. Alright, I think we should be good. I can always retreat if I take too much damage. Look at that! It actually did it well. Again, I'd love to have a ruler, because like right now I'm just taking a piece of paper and being like, yeah, that seems like it's in line. So, okay, cool. Again, probably here too. Add some padding to either side of this. Let's see. That. Okay. As for the
a physician without a knowledge of astrology
I think this
has no right
wonderful.
to call himself
I don't know what
a
the
physician.
camera's for. Is there a camera in the IKEA thing? Oh, so it's probably like search with the camera. But I don't think it understood that. I don't think we need this, so I'll just say remove this icon. And then let's see, do we have a actual like catalog page? Like for an item? Yeah, it's actually pretty smart that IKEA does it with catalogs, right? So they like kind of group everything into their own catalog. But what's like an individual item? Here we go. Cool. So I think these are called listing pages. So I will say, can you create a listing page? So when a user selects a product, it will open its corresponding listing page, adapt the UI from the attached photo, reuse the nav bar layout. Or, well, we'll see. We'll see if it reuses it or not. Okay, cool. Back to Civ. Alright, we have envoys. They're only going to Brussels. The last turn, right? The slinger. I can advance one, get the promotion here. We will get mining so that I can get this silver. I can plop down a city over here. Cool. I want to stay away from this boat. Kind of scary. I guess we'll send her this warrior. I don't know if we'll be done with everything by then, but we shall see. Where's the spearman? That's weird. Alright. Well, cool. So what am I expecting? If I click on this. Yeah, the product page doesn't exist. When I click on one of these cards, I'm expecting to be taken to their corresponding listing page. Can you make that happen? Use test data to populate the listing page as needed. They call it product page, so I'm going to use that language in the future. Alright, a lot of hits. Where did that spearman go? Just delete himself? That's so weird. I don't know where that spearman down here went. Yeah. I don't know what that noise was. It's another galley. I don't need another slinger. I'm gonna save the gold for a settler. I'm just gonna like go wide on this island. Which going wide would mean like here-ish. Aqueduct can go here. Campus. Yep. Fully on an island. Alright. So honestly, I should try to settle a city over here too, to get on the coast. Start building some galleys. Okay. Oh, that was such a nice effect. This pulse. But I'd like to add some padding. Add some padding to either side of this. It'd also be nice if it's a carousel, but I might be asking a little bit too much. Sailing, need to find a city on the water. Run, actually. I think I should be able to survive another hit. Well, famous last words. It's okay. I'm not under too much of threat from stuff. That would have been a nice to have. Not a need to have. Alright, is this guy still prioritizing food? Good. I could multi-queue Hanging Gardens. So finish the slinger to replace the one that died. Alright. Oh my gosh. You know what? Brussels can have fun with that one. I am not dealing with that. Alright. So the padding should have been really simple. So let's see here. Looks good. I like it. Has all the stuff. Oh, little cutoff here. I wonder if I can do make the padding uniform around these images. Something like that. All right.
Without craftsmanship, inspiration is a mere reed shaken in the wind.
This looks amazing. Very happy with this. Now the brand colors are a little targety, which I'm not too much of a fan of, but yeah, this looks nice. The breadcrumbs could use some work, but that's something we can always do later. You know what? There's another thing that we can always ask VO to do is, or actually, before we leave and do some of what I was thinking, maybe add a comment or a review section at the bottom of the product page. Cool. While that's generating. Oh. How much housing do I have? 8. Okay, I have 8 housing. I have so much farms. So many farms.
Who deserves more credit than the wife of a coal miner?
The wife of a founder. Ha 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 ha. Alright, well, this is not the most riveting of games, but I mean, that's alright. I'll take it. I'll take a quiet game. All to my lonesome on my island. City here, city here, city here, city here, city here. So I got 6 cities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. I don't know what my dedication is going to need to be for error score. I don't actually remember what they are for this next age. Okay, wait. Alright, so this all looks great. Reviews looks good. I think the progress bars need some work. But that's probably because of the test stuff, but let me just see. Are they just using divs for that, not progress bars? Oh no, they are using progress bars. Oh, it's probably because it's 1 out of total rating count, which is like 100 something. That's why it appears so low. Okay, so hopefully with real data, it's gonna look right. Alright, well, another thing I can ask is, what should we work on next? Tell me. Because not much going on over here. Oh, actually, I should be getting this. Hope that doesn't bite me. Oh, those are Eureka dedications. I could have kept that one. Not the finest hour there. So that gave 1 food to this desert tile. Oh, have a little action. Mobilize. I guess a dust storm doesn't really hurt them. Alright, create a shopping cart context. Okay, let's execute on the shopping cart. Add a popover to the shopping cart. Oh, well, like, along with your suggestions, add a popover to the shopping cart when an item is added, which shows the contents of the shopping cart and the current total on the order. Fingers crossed. Alright, cool. Wow, he attacked through zone of control. Not cool. Alright, well, clear this out. Oh my god, I got so scared there. Alright, what dedication am I grabbing? Specialty district? I mean, I'm gonna be turboing cities. Constructing a building. What Eureka's outstanding? I'm gonna do that one. Query, not yet. I don't think I'll do enough. But I don't know if I'll be building that many. Alright. I think we go with this one? No? I think we'll do free inquiry. Alright. What is next? So we have a shopping cart that actually works now? Cool. But, going back to this, can we change this to when add to cart is clicked, the product page shouldn't open. Instead, the product should be added to cart. All right. I'm done with that one. Got a few more turns until the settler comes out. And hopefully this mine starts working after this next pop. Is it working? I wonder if the animation's not on. It's working. They're not working? Okay, well we need to be production maxing right now. Try to get the hanging gardens down. Pantheon. Alright. All in on wonders. Alert. 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 Alright. Let's see if that fixed everything. Nope. Okay, maybe change the navigation behavior from clicking. Change the navigation behavior. Navigating to the product page should only be triggered when clicking either the header, the card header, or the product image. Let's hope that that works, because I'm accidentally clicking like things around add to cart, or at least it's triggering, and so it's taking me to the product page, and I don't want that functionality.
Bravery is being the only one who knows you're afraid.
Alright. I guess we'll do this one. I don't think there's going to be a very remote chance that I'm going to get.
Bronze is the mirror of the form, wine of the mind.
Then we'll be finding a second thing around continent anytime soon. So 5 more turns before we get the settler. Alright. So clicking down here doesn't do anything. Click here. Takes us to the product page. Cool. Add to cart. Adds to cart. Remove. Removes. Nice! Alright. What's next? What's next? Because, you know, like, this navigates to that. Add to cart. Adds to cart. Can remove. All that good stuff. Probably checkout page is next. Checkout progress. Yes, please execute the checkout process. Alright. One more turn. And then settler. It doesn't have a recommendation, like over here. Yeah, so I wanted to build one over here, but I'll probably end up building it here-ish. Or here. I do want the iron. Do I want the iron? I'm not really going to be building swordsmen. No fresh water. Well, we can build the city here. Have the whales. Is it because they want it to be closer to the whales? Because I can put this here. Harbor goes here. Aqueduct here. Commercial district here. Alright, let's stick to the plan. Alright, well, we'll try to get this as close as down as possible. What was that? Oh. Oh! Oh no. Not great. Alright, I'm gonna need to micro that. Let's see here. So if I put this comfort chair in and then check out. Shipping, payment, and preview. These seem to be apart from each other. I think they were supposed to be connected, or at least closer together. I think that was a VO mistake again. So I don't know what update they just recently pushed. Oh. Maybe the continent's a little bit closer
That's
than
the
I
positive
expected.
aspect of...
Well, that was dumb of me. So the other continent is literally right over here. So it's not nothing too crazy. Am I the first one to meet Velnus? No. So obviously there's other stuff over there. Oh, I can now make one more trade route. Alright. Not great. I mean, I can go to Vilnius, and maybe the trader will see something.
If there are no dogs in heaven, then when I die, I want to go where they went.
I don't know where that comes from. No dogs go to heaven? Alright, we'll just curl it, and hopefully that'll buy us enough time. Alright, hopefully this will be fine. Alright, can I just go to the checkout page? That does not look right, so we're gonna retry. We're gonna retry this. I don't think this is what I was expecting. So we'll retry this. Here for the heal. Guess we'll have to take again the circular route. Because if I move it here, he's probably gonna eat it. Alright, we'll move this guy here, put this guy here. Literally will kill a barbarian camp. Huh, it's pretty rare to see a city kill on a barbarian camp. Look at that. Did that not actually count? Oh my gosh, it didn't count. I don't accept this. I'm reloading that. That's terrible. That didn't count? Oh! Because I don't get the money? Wait, let me check. Make sure that I actually get the money.
From the first stirrings of life
Really
beneath
awful.
water, to the great beasts of the Stone Age, to man taking
looks
his
right.
first upright steps, you have come far. Now begins your greatest quest. From this early cradle of civilization on towards the stars. And so it is upon your broad shoulders, Theodore Roosevelt, to charge forth and lead your people on their great adventure. Use your military might to give the peoples of your homeland the square deal they so desperately deserve. Surely, you will raise America into the limelight and attract visitors from across the oceans just to see your lands. Bully for you, Mr. President.
So I'm just asking it to create an order summary page when the checkout process is complete. I don't like this just having a blank screen there. So we'll have that running. Go back over here. I do not accept the fact that... Alright, now give me 2 error score. As opposed to nothing. The 2 is better than nothing, I suppose. But... yeah. Alright. Trader? I don't think I want a trader. I think I want a builder. Alright. Let's try to get everyone except for this slinger home. Alright. 3 more turns before I gotta click this off. There we go. The one time that this feature is useful. I should actually just copy this. Oh, what happened here? Not great. Gonna have to fix that. So, I mean, everything pretty much looked good on the flow. There was like a weird error. So I'm gonna fix that real quick. Alright, one more turn before I have to flip on growth. Alright, hopefully this will not lose me hanging gardens. Oh, that was just difference is one turn. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. And then switch back to turbo growth because DC has a lot of housing, so we'll try to get it up to 7 as fast as possible. Oh! Whew! That scared the crap out of me. Alright. Back to the checking out this real quick. Also, I should tell it to ensure that, you know, I can't cheat and, you know, buy nothing. Cool. Alright. Can you ensure that the checkout button is disabled when the shopping cart is empty? Alright, so we're gonna spend some gold to upgrade some slingers into archers. So we're gonna have a little cost there. Alright. Fingers crossed.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where.
Right. Whew. Hands up. Oh. Oh my god.
The ascent to the highest story is by stairs.
Let's go.
And at their side are water engines, by means of which persons, appointed expressly for the purpose, are continually employed in raising water from the Euphrates into the garden.
The AI kind of ignores hanging gardens. I mean, the growth is great, right? Plus 15% growth in all cities. Like, come on. Alright, we don't need the production as much. Actually, don't need it to just be on focus. We'll take the trader. Trader to go to Brussels or Vilnius? Probably Vilnius. Alright, back to here. Cart is empty. Nice. Let's see. Also, if someone were to navigate to the checkout page, it should have a screen to handle the case where the cart is empty. Yeah. It should prompt the user to go back to the catalog. Cool, so there's that. Got you scaring me with some of these sounds there, Civ6. Also, music's gone. Kind of eerie. I forgot to upgrade this guy. This guy will be in a couple turns. Archers, incredible for defense. Alright, back to here. That's not working, so let's see. Check out. My cart is empty. Browse the products. There's no products page. I think the next step will be let's create a products page. We don't currently have a products page. Let's tackle that next. Add a little personality, see if AI responds to that at all. I'm willing to bet not. I can actually contest this barbarian camp up here. I literally have 2 archers. it feels a lot safer because I can be on an inner tile and shoot at the naval units. So we're gonna actually start doing that. Maybe finally finish that one off for once and for all. So after this one, I will probably be doing Settler next. Because again, this is my domain, and so 1, 2, 3, 4 cities should be the goal. Okay, cool. I don't like this, but feel like kind of has to happen. I mean, it's only because the products don't trigger the scroll, and so the additional scroll makes it look kind of weird. Like, that's why there's that little jumping to the right, because it's adding that scroll bar. But ultimately, I'm sure it's not the worst. So this is pretty good. All right. Move. Oh, yeah, I want... when clicking on a image within a card or on a card header, name of product, then it should navigate me to navigate the user to the corresponding product page. Cool. Let's take some pot shots at these boats while we walk by. These ones can't attack. Some of them were the big nasty quadrimarines. I think that's what
Vessels large may venture more, but little boats should keep near shore.
Yeah, so galleys are melee, so they can't hit you. These are the guys who can hit me. So you just need to sand one back. They only have a range of 1, so they need to be next to you. They're like the slingers, but unfortunately I didn't see this one. So this one's gonna take a shot at me. All I need to do is just jump to this, and it can't hit me. I just realized that I don't really want to trade it going over ocean. Oh, can't even go over ocean, so all's the better. In fact, we're going to go to Philadelphia first. I'm not really needing gold for anything, so a little extra production of food would be nice. Another settler. So I'm just going to travel, and I'm going to try to hug like terrain features that are away from the coast. Fortunately, I'm going to have to sneak my way through here. So I'm actually going to fortify and heal, and hopefully by the time this guy gets over. Yeah, like I don't do that much damage, so I can't really contest it on that narrow ground. So we'll just take some pot shots where we can and get promotions and all that good stuff. Alright, I don't see anything. So you can come back in and shoot me, but like that is out. I'm just gonna skip. I really don't want to lose it.
It was luxuries like air conditioning that brought down the Roman Empire. With air conditioning, their windows were shut. They couldn't hear the barbarians coming.
I really like how fast this website is. So everything looks nice. What's this? This gap right here. I'm gonna add, like, can we center the add to cart button here? Vertically? Can we vertically center? Vertically center that, so you can see obviously this is the container that holds the button. Obviously it's not aligned correctly, so we're just gonna, I should have said vertically align it. Whatever. Hopefully it'll make sense of that. this guy's gonna heal. This guy's gonna take a hit, but I'm gonna need to try to get him through the gauntlet to get over to the other side. Governor, we are gonna get... We're not building any builders yet, so we don't need that. We haven't gotten rid of that yet. I think we're gonna do Reina and stick her in Philadelphia to help get some more tiles. Alright, let's see if this changed anything. Nope, it did not. Whoops. Vertically align the add to button card here to be in the center. I mean, what if we just don't say vertically, just align in general? It can center align it too, it already has, so I don't really care about that. Alright, oh no, I wanted to get through the gauntlet. Well, that's not that bad. I can shoot it twice. That is not great though. We're gonna retreat. Because if I shoot that, then the other guy's gonna shoot my archer, and that's no bueno. So we're just gonna heal up, and if we see them coming along, we'll keep taking pot shots at them. Back to the product page. Is that finally in the center? It is not. What the? Also, can we narrow this category column? It's a little bit like wide, and most of these are not going to be that long of text. Did I lose anything? No, nothing. Just lost some farms, which is why I had that worker before. So there's... Oh, I did have a worker built. Oh, I could have... Oh, wow, I totally forgot about that. Could have gotten the governor to get me a +1 build charge. That stinks. What's better than healing is getting 1 XP, which is a promotion. Alright, this one's gonna deal with the cows first. Pasture. And then Holy Site. I'm not going religion as America, so that's not necessarily needed. The buildings are that great, so I think we're just gonna grab some galleys. We are the ultimate 2-ocean power, hopefully, so we'll really want to use that. We'll get this guy all the way over here to deal with the farm. Alright, back over to here. Products.
Don't reinvent the wheel.
It's weird.
Just realign it.
A tiny bit of padding there that makes this out of line with this stuff. Do I care that much that that's kind of out of line? I care more about this. Can I just write like... Ugh. Whatever. It's like barely an issue. Can we ensure that the breadcrumbs match the actual routes to the page? Because as you saw with this one, like, chairs doesn't exist. I think furniture does exist, but you know, all that stuff. So let's just make sure that those are correct. Nothing there. Philadelphia needs more housing. Okay, here's a farm. It should deal with its housing problems for now. Let's go all the way around. Clean this up. I shoot this one. Oh, this guy. I can shoot this one. I don't think I can kill the archer. I'm gonna be really sad if it does. I think we're good. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna step this guy forward, shoot this guy, so this guy can go back and heal, and then I can always retreat this guy back and heal after he gets hit. I'm gonna retreat this guy, shoot this guy, and we're slowly slogging our way through here. Alright. Cool. So next city will be here-ish, this one. Shoot. And back to this. Yeah. That's not right. Okay, so... I mean, I don't know how to describe it to fix this problem. Like, on one hand, yes, it needs to add the extra to furniture's route. So, when furnitures or any of the categories are selected, update the URL to match whichever category is selected. When the user navigates to the product page with a category in the URL category after /products in the URL, then the corresponding valid category should be selected. If the URL is invalid, then navigate to the base product page. Hopefully it understands that. So cool. Alright, sorry. I was just checking to make sure everything was good on stream. We're gonna fix this farm real quick. Holy crap, that's a lot of work that we've done in just like a couple hours. He's back. He's gone. Nice. Huh. Man, I totally chose the wrong governors, because now I'm going to clear and... Well, commercial district can... These two will probably be districts. One of them an aqueduct, I believe. Or a dam. No, a dam's probably going somewhere. I will move that. I'll move this guy up here. And... What do you want? Another builder? Encampment? Encampment should go on the desert tiles. These are not good options. Scouting too. Oh. More archers? No. It's too bad. Granary? I don't need the housing. I think I'll go watermill. Because I do have that bonus with the wheat here. No. Doesn't look like there's any wonders I can build, so I could just focus on another settler. Yeah, let's do that. Again, occupy the island. So one here, honestly, I could like a city here or here probably, and then I could probably do one city here. No, that's too close. A city here on the swamp, get the aqueduct here, still get fresh water. Like, it'll be brushing up on Brussels, but it's whatever. Alright, shoot that guy. Back to here. Let's see if
mysticism is the mistake of an accidental and individual symbol for a universal one.
Alright, I will try to explain it. Oh, and then I'll also say, like, ensure the bread crumbs lead to the right to the correct corresponding URLs. Let's hope that fixes everything. I don't actually 100% know how that works, so it's best if we just let AI deal with it. Oracle. Another builder. Grab Brussels. Caesar. Cool. Not sure what much else. Heal up these guys. While this is going on, unfortunately, looks like Brussels is going to be blocking me in. Man, another city like here-ish, here, and then aqueduct. Do I overrate the aqueduct? Maybe a little bit. Move the warrior. Okay. Fine. Or actually, I just need to get out of here. Oh no. Fine. I'll wait my turn patiently. Alright, let's see. Products. All should be selected. None of these are selecting anything. The highlight of the current category is not. I think this didn't do it right, because also the URL's not updating. As you can see, like if I click on any of these, none of the URLs are updating. So we're gonna change that real quick. And honestly, another thing that I could do, just read the Shad CN on documentation on breadcrumbs. Just to look at, like, how do they deal with it. Like, these are just hrefs, right? So they're links to specific areas, so as long as it's just corresponding to the right link, then it should be fine. Like, all these items have hrefs, right? So you just need to pull it to the right one. I'm not 100% sure what's wrong. Alright, so I should be out of the Dark Age here, because I'll clear this Barbarian camp, and that'll give me 2. And I'll be playing with house money. I'll kill this guy. If I put this guy here on this hill, then we should be able to shoot the thing here without too much of a worrier. We'll see if I can get to a golden age. I'm not too confident about it, but we shall see. Oh, I should have moved him up. Whatever. I think I can still run in. I guess I cannot. All right. Great library. I never ever build a great library, so that was a little bit weird. A little sad, sorry, not weird. Alright. Let's go home, gents. Alright, products. Alright, obviously this did not work. So we're gonna have to get some fixes. Very sad that this continues to happen.
A man on a horse is spiritually as well as physically bigger than a man on foot.
Alright, well, I'm not 100% sure what we're going to be able to do. I don't know. There's a quarry here, so once the worker's done, that'll be a Eureka bonus for that one. Iron, yeah, if I build the city over there, I get the iron. Oracle is built, so I'm just losing out on wonders left, right, and center. It's also because there isn't that much for me to do. But at least I got the hanging gardens, so my cities will be big and fat in no time. Oh, come on, Brussels, you're killing me. Gotta let my stuff through. Oh my lord. Should be able to meet some people. Or actually, I should have gone the other way. My bad. Preserve. Culture bombs adjacent tiles. Can I culture bomb this? I think that's too far to culture bomb. I think I'll just make another galley. In fact, Lena can now move the city over to Charleston to help with them getting some extra stone or with the silver. Put this guy on alert. Move this guy over. Cool. Alright, let's see if this works. No. Well, let's retry this before we complain about the same update. I think VO got nerfed. Oh, Jesus Christ. Are you kidding me? Alright. You're blocking me, so I can't exactly help you. Oh, a little path, so maybe I'll see some stuff over here. In the San Francisco Bay, next to DC. As you're all well aware. This is my little English channel here. Holding down the fort. Honestly, I could settle something over here if I got this embarkment. fine.
いかがある。我は日本国の武士道の信仰者、北条時宗。
I think we're gonna ask it to redo this and tell it explicitly, do not use effect. Because apparently the AI cannot handle using it. And honestly, it's considered bad practice anyways, so. Alright, we're gonna build this settler, move them down. Contest downwards anyways. I don't know what the hell. Brussels, just take the city. Alright. Fine. I'll do it myself. Could build a city here. I think here is probably fine. Not too many resources, but it'll be good on the southern coast. All right, another settler. Just keep pumping at the settlers. Nope. We shall see if there's any fix to all this stuff. Alright, so I'll just have a normal one again. No golden eras for me, unfortunately. Okay, so they finally cleared it. Alright, we'll alert that there, because once this builds, then you can heal it. What disaster this stuff? Holy crap! I think it worked. That's not. Can you change the URLs, the hrefs, in that are provided to the bread crumbs so they match our scheme in the products page for organizing categories in the URL. If that's not too long-winded of an explanation. Yes, look at that. New Orleans in the south. Look at that. How apt. We're gonna do builder here. Culture? Because it's breathtaking. Appeal. Yeah, it's breathtaking tile. It's 2 culture. Is that how that works? Breathtaking tiles adjacent to either a wonder or woods. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, trader, don't go over the water. You're not gonna like it. Get writing, I guess. I'm gonna shoot this galley. I'm not sure what I want to do. So I think we're just gonna do more builders. When in doubt, build it out. Yes, I have 1 wonder. Come on. Alright, let's see if... Yeah, that's not right.
The poets have been
Oh crap, I forgot the promotion. Alright, the Eurekas are not great, so instead I think maybe special district. I have a lot of cities now. Hopefully that'll help me get those started. We'll get the campus going, and a lot of these will benefit from sticking campuses all over. Me and city center was usually the ones that they like, so I'll do this and get my 2 diplomacy points. Okay, I'll take 1. Alright, bananas. Banana. That should be fine. Alright, we will give it 1 more chance. Oh, I guess Japan's been a kind of a naughty boy. Had a little military emergency apparently declared against him. Didn't pass, but still. I'll keep an eye on that. I think I should be fine on my little island. All things considered. Really, it would have been apt to play as the UK. But I mean, hey, this is kind of America. 2 oceans on either side. The Dutch to my north. Or sorry, not Dutch. Oh man, I faux pas there. What side is Brussels on? Is it the Flemish side or the Walloon side? I believe it's on the Dutch side, right? It's not on the French side. But I'm not 100% sure. It could be the other way around. Okay, you're yelling at me for low culture. I get it.
Writing means sharing. It's part of the human condition to want to share things. Thoughts, ideas, opinions.
Oops. Products. So let's see if this... Why does it keep doing that? Like, it says it should be doing it right, so I'm not 100% sure. Why is there breadcrumb and then breadcrumbs? Well, it's the items that are being provided, the breadcrumbs. So, see on this items page. Yeah, it's because these. I don't know where they're providing those. Where do they say those categories? Products page? Well, you're not doing it in the other ones. No, it's because in the code you have the breadcrumb hard coded in products /ID /page.tsx. Oh my lord. Come on, VO. It is absolutely true that AI is right now like the strength of interns, because it sounds like the same crap that I'd be dealing with interns. Alright, let's see if this actually... Params has already been declared. Jeezy. Oh, VO. VO. What am I gonna do with you? So Japan's up here. Japan's been a little troublemaker, apparently. So I might not want to settle close to it. I don't think I want to fight. so far away from my lands. I guess I don't really have a choice. Oh, I should have actually gotten the movement if I wanted to get away. Okay, well, you asked for it then. Yeah. Alright, this thing is stuck generating, I guess. Campus. What would be the best campus district here, right? But I want to remove that, so we will actually get another builder going to remove this. I have a builder here too.
When wasteful war shall statues overturn, and broils root out the work of masonry.
Okay. I'm sure someone can tell me which play that's from. This guy home. I kind of want the quadrimarine. I think that's how you pronounce it. Quadririne? I keep pronouncing it quadrimarine. Quadririne. Alright, the Indian Ocean. Is Gandhi in this game? I don't think Gandhi's in Civ 7. And yet the nukes still fly. Alright, back over to here. Holy crap. This product is not clickable. The breadcrumb. Here's navigation. Navigation doesn't seem to be working. Alright, so I'm never going to found a religion, so we'll just let theology finish without its bonus. What do I want next? Another settler? That's $2 grand. That's way too much. I don't even know what I want. I'll just save it. If I don't know what to buy, I won't. There's so many builders. That's pretty much it. Just want to improve. Get this quarry.
There is nothing but a plank between a sailor and eternity.
Back to exploring. Back over to here. Furniture. Oh, wait. The thing that I wanted to practice is... See, this one still doesn't work. Weird. It's probably hard-coded again. Alright, well you're getting the builders, so you should be A-okay. You are not going to be A-okay. This is what we're going to spend our money on. We're going to buy a granary. I found that it's generally not great to build the buildings itself. Oh my gosh. Get rid of the stone to build this. I mean, I kind of want the adjacency bonus. No, I mean, what adjacency bonus, right? Okay, we'll build the campus here then. Barbarians? Whoa? back over to here. Let's see. Nope, still not working. Alright, let's take a look. Inside of products, page. Href goes back to products. Is there something wrong with... No, it's... Oh, no. That's not what I want it to deal with. The bread crumb... the bread crumb on the product page does not navigate back to the base URL when products is pressed and another category was selected. Hopefully that'll get figured out. Grab that. Move this around. Okay, I get it. We have no culture. Gonna slug it out here. I need the stout American Navy to get rid of these guys in the future. Some nice battleships. Oh crap, I lost track of it. Alright. So we can knock out this for Philadelphia. And we have the money to do it. Oh, we would definitely not have the money to do it. Never mind. Well, I don't know what this worker's gonna be doing. This one has 2 charges. Where'd that one go? That's crazy.
Man suffers only because he takes seriously what the gods made for fun.
So we're gonna go over here, get the shrimp, the sheep, not shrimp. Naval warfare on the brain. Oh god, look at all the envoys he has. I guess just put them into Brussels. It's the only one that matters. That one, and... My gosh, I'm so far behind on some of this stuff. I think naval. Like, I just need to be pumping Navy. Given that I'm in an island Civ. Or an island empire. I'm across the seas, guarded by the British fleet. We'll carry on the struggle.
Money.
Skipping that one. 3 mines, ancient walls. I need some aqueducts on some of my cities. That's unfortunate. Do I have any sea resource anywhere? I don't see any. Oh, what? Okay. That's odd. Yeah, I'll get this guy all the way down here to get that. Alright. Might have gotten a free one from Japan there. Alright, hi Genghis Khan. Chinggis, if you will. Yeah, we've got to get this guy back to heal. And this guy can go back to exploring. Chinggis came from that direction. Scary. I also realize I still have mono warriors. I need mines, apparently. Alright. Let's see if this has actually worked. Nope, it's highlighting. Where is that? Where's that URL we've been sending you? Oh, it's so weird. You just had a really long URL down there in the bottom left there. You can probably see vusercontent.net/products. That goes back to home. What? That's so weird. Alright, that's a more of a, we'll fix it on the download. But is there anything else that I kind of wanted? Like a new and a deal screen? Okay. Where's this city gonna go? Like I said, here, right? Alright, we'll have this guy go over and check out how Chinggis Khan. Chinggis Khan. 3 would be nice. There's a couple 3s. There's a 2 here too. Also along a river. So that's 3, this will be 2. This one is adjacency bonus with 2. But it would also be nice to put it next to the harbor. So, where's, I don't have harbor yet. Theater. Oh, yeah, theater here, commercial. Does this one get adjacency bonuses from water park? I think let's get commercial going. Alright, let's get everybody back home. Alright, so I guess that one's not working, so we'll just ask it to, can you generate a new arrivals page? Not great. Why don't you cancel that and just skip the turn for now? Build another mine. That'll be temporary, I think. Oh, actually, we can build. We can buy this. So we're gonna buy this tile, and we're just gonna. What's something that's low cost? I guess copper. Yeah. Cool. Arrivals. Nice. Okay. The breadcrumbs are very broken. Alright, we will deal with that later. And then lastly, create a deal. Lastly, let's create a deals page. Alright, that should be that for it. I'm getting exhausted with how bad VO is today. I'm not 100% sure why it's acting up so poorly. Okay, wow, that's like a very narrow corridor right there. That's insane. The one thing I did notice about the AIs is that they don't build harbors. I can instead build the harbors and then grab all of the corresponding.
Behold the wonders of the heavens and earth. The clear aqua blue serves as a looking glass. Thousands of turquoise crows, tinged with a touch of black.
Alright. Well, that's a thing. I need to keep an eye on. How long have I been streaming for? Almost 3 hours. Alright. We'll wrap up with the website, and then call it, because it is quite a while, and my voice is starting to give. So let's just check out the deals. Looks good. A little form there. And I think that's pretty much that. See all offers. Oh. Can you have the shop offers buttons go to deals? That'll be that one. And then the see all offers will be to products. Maybe new arrivals. I mean, this one doesn't really matter too much. So we've seen Halong Bay. And we need to keep those woods, apparently. But we don't need to keep these jungles. Oh, those guys are made a little tougher stuff, apparently. Campus here. Interesting. Can I buy it? Nope, not yet. So what am I to do? Probably build this one. Because that is one of the Eureka bonuses. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be building something in time to satisfy that, which is unfortunate. Oops. Philadelphia can build your campus here. Alright, we're going to retreat. That can only. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I love that one. Like settling next to a volcano. Yeah. So I actually missed the error score of like settling near this. I mean, I could settle here, and then that'll pop that error score one, I think. Stick it next to the volcano. What could be the worst that could happen? So Boston, not on the coast, unfortunately. I think just build it. That one is in dire straits.
Sang gitar jata aku, ratuning kalawan pangraksaning Indonesia. Sintena ikang kumira, aku tanpa bisa lumrah aning dasaring samudra.
Alright. Let's get this guy up here to tap the iron. Okay, and so shop offers. Navigates me to hot deals. Cool. And then see all offers. This should navigate me to the products page. Do I want the mine there? What do I need? Iron ore. I already have 3 mines thing, so. Is there something that Boston needs up here? Not really. So I think I'm going to save it for the next settler, then I'll be sticking all the way up there. Alright, this warrior can hang out over here. I think the more aggressive civs are on the left. Yeah. Sure the Persian Gulf. Yeah, great. Persian Gulf right on our doorstep. Oh, I guess I need a farm. Okay. I'll turn this one around then. We'll build the farm. Alright, see all offers goes to the product page. Shop offers goes to deals. Unfortunately, deals has the same issue as new arrivals. Duplicated ones. Breadcrumbs. Items? Is it because it adds or it has a home already within breadcrumb? Yeah. That's why. It already has a home. In the home, in the breadcrumbs component, it already has a link to home, and so you don't need to add the item for the new arrivals and deals pages. Oh, that's unfortunate. Alright, so I guess that's done exploring that direction. We'll go up north.
A strong economy begins with a strong, well-educated workforce.
So we can't really go down here, so we gotta go up north. I guess I had 3 city-states. But it might also be because someone is killing all of them. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna start clearing some of this stuff here, too. Allow for Washington to build some wonders and other stuff. Half the iron. Get iron working. Little jiggy. So we can go up here to get this quarry. Alright, let's check to see if this has fixed it. Nope. The deals. Remove it from the deals page. Okay. The new arrivals has been adjusted correctly, but the deals page has not. Alright. Alright. Boston, Philadelphia.
Ta là Triệu Trinh Nương, nữ tướng quân mặc chiếc áo hoàng bào. Ta nghênh đón người đã đến Việt Nam.
Chào cô. I should play, well actually, I'll be happy to do a Vietnam Civ game. I don't think it's, Batu, it's, Trung Trác is gonna be, the leader of Vietnam, so interesting stuff there. She wants my iron. No, I'm sorry. I do love the music though. It is very nice. The little leitmotif for Vietnam. Honestly, I didn't explore up here.
Siraang.
Thank you, lady. It's usually melee that the AI likes choosing, and then... Ooh. Merchant? Scientist? I don't remember. Engineer? Scientist. Nice. That's 2 Diplo points for me. Who's in the lead? Japan? Oh, it's because we're tied. Tied for first. I'm doing awful in science and culture, but not doing too bad elsewhere. I'm more worried about economy right now. Macroing.
Bid ispikija ina asnan, uburtija ina mea mala. Ilusume, amurabi ikarabu.
Nice. Hi, Hammurabi. Babylon. Okay. Let's check out, see if the deals. Okay, finally, it fits the deals. I think we are actually done. Sorry for flipping back and forth there. I think we're done. I think that makes the basis of all the e-commerce parts of it. We have this. If we add something to the cart, we can go to checkout, deal with checkout. We can go back to any of these other screens to do that. I guess the search bar doesn't work. We'll save that for the next stream. And I don't know when I'll be doing that, probably during the weekday at some point. Give myself a break over Sunday. And so, just want to say, hope everyone had fun. We'll probably come back to America at some point as well. We'll say this does seem like a pretty decent setup, that the only way that someone can get to me is Navy, and I think that that's something in terms of my personal play style. I like to play Navy a lot, so that very much works out. Also fits with Theodore Roosevelt because the Great White Fleet, which I'm surprised that's not a thing in the game. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed seeing what I've been working on this kind of chill stream, you kind of got a glimpse of what I do when I'm like heads down coding. But just in a chill vibe. Just working with AI tools, trying to get better, trying to get them to do what I need to. Sometimes it's like herding cats, but is what it is sometimes. These systems are new and they're going to get tweaked over time. So if you enjoyed what you saw, like this video, hit the notification bell, let yourself get notified when the next stream is going to be live. And, hopefully I inspired you to build some really cool stuff for yourself. Take a little bit break, watch out for burnout, all that good stuff. And just remember, if G can build, so can you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, everyone.